There's attack monkeys right there. He's running. No, I'm not very good at walls. Yo, Blue, how do you do that? I'm coming over here. But that guy's cracked though, so I might have to run.
I take that bronze silver color, like that bronze color. Like that brightest brown.
I don't think it's like not bad.
No, I can't.
Go, Power Rangers!
Yo, wait, Purple, can you teach me how to wall climb?
Don't you dare! Oh, thanks.
Ah!
Hard for me because of my screen. On screen, I'm mad. Where did you guys go?
I slipped. I fell over IRL. Oh, that hurt.